Meaning of fancy-free.
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 Fancy-free. Fancy-free is an idiomatic expression that describes a person who is free from worries or obligations. It suggests a carefree and unburdened lifestyle, where one is able to act on impulse and pursue their desires without any constraints. It implies a lack of responsibility or attachment to any particular person or thing. Essentially, being fancy-free means having the freedom to do as one pleases without any external pressures or expectations. It can be seen as both a positive and negative trait depending on the situation.